welcome class 7 students. This is your first ever maths class of class 7 in this year 2021. Now I hope you all have got your syllabus of maths, the first unit test syllabus. You have to follow this book of maths, that is the book written by Subroto Dotto. Subroto Dotto, this book generally we follow for maths. If you don't have this, you can follow other books also, but this is the most preferred book that we do in our school for class 7. In this book, the first chapter of your syllabus is the revision exercise, the revision chapter of class 6. That is the first chapter of class 7. So in this chapter, the first exercise 1, we are going to solve today. Some of the selective sums of exercise 1 of the first chapter we are going to start today. So this is the exercise that we are going to follow, that is exercise 1. In this exercise, let's do few sums. For example, one sum is given over here, sum number 2. That is, the sum of two number is, please see carefully, sum number 2 of exercise 1. I repeat, exercise 1, sum number 2. It is given that the sum of two number is 95238 and the greater number is 68725. The sum of two number is 95238. 95238. The greater number is given 68725. 68725. Now what you have to do is you have to find out the smaller number. We know that a sum is made of two numbers. Here it is given that a sum is made of two numbers, one greater number and one smaller number. Now the greater number is given to you. You have to find out the other number, which is the smaller one. The smaller number we will find out. How we will find out? From the sum, if we subtract the greater number, we are going to get the smaller number. So now by subtracting the greater number from the actual sum, we are going to get the smaller number. So therefore, the smaller number is you have to simply subtract, and the subtraction is 26513. So this is the answer. Answer you will write that the smaller number is 26513. You will write that the smaller number is 26513. You have to write a full sentence answer after each sum, which is mandatory. With this video, I am going to provide a PDF. Go in the description box, see the link, click the link and you will get the PDF where you will get all sorts of solved sums. All sorts of solved sums. In those sums, if you see carefully, after each sum, I will write a full sentence answer which you must follow, and while doing the homework, you must write full sentence answer after each sum. Like the way I am doing. Answer the required smaller number is 26513. This is how we will solve the sum and write the answer. Now slowly we move on to the next sum, that is sum number 3. Sum number 3, it is given that in sum number 3 it is given that the sum of two number is 47289 and the smaller number is 12596. Here the smaller number is given. The sum is given and the smaller number is given. You have to find out the greater number. Process is same. Process is same. The sum of two number was given in the previous sum. Greater number was given to you. But in this sum, smaller number is given to you. So we will do in this same sum. We will do some changes over here and do like this. The sum of two number in this sum is given. The sum of two number is given 47289. 47289. Greater number is 68725. Here the smaller number is given. The smaller number is given 12596. 12596. This is the smaller number. You have to find out the greater number. In a similar way, you will find out the greater number. That is, you have to subtract. You have to subtract this and find out the greater number, which is 34693. Answer will be, the greater number is 34. The required greater number is, this will be greater number is 34693. In this way, we are going to solve this type of sums given. Now, slowly we move on to the next sum, that is sum number 4. Here it is given. This sum is a little bit different sum. So, we'll rub and solve the next sum, that is sum number 4. Sum number 4. In sum number 4, it is given that the sum of two number is 1626. The sum of, this is sum number 4. It is given that the sum of two number is 1626. Now it is given that one number is twice the other. One number is twice the other. We have no other hint other than this one. So how we will do? We will consider the first number. Let the assumed first number, we will assume the first number as a variable x. Let the first number be x. It has been given to you, it has been told to you in the sum that one number is twice the other. So if the first number we are assuming as x, then the second number must be 2 into x, because the second number is told in the sum as twice of the first number. So first number is x and second number will definitely be 2x. X and 2x are the two assumed numbers which we have to assume. So it has been given that the sum of these two numbers, so according to the problem ATP, what you have to do is x plus 2x equals to 1626, which means 3x equals to 1626, or x equals to 1626 by 3. In this way, you have to do the cancellation, and by doing the cancellation, you are going to get, I think, 542. 542 is the value of x. So 542 is the first number. 542 is the first number. X equals to 542. So definitely 2x will be 542 into 2. 542 into 2. Now 542 into 2 means 1084. 1084. So the two numbers we have found out, the two numbers whose sum is 1626 are 542 and 1084. The two numbers are, you have to write full answer. 542 and 1084. In this way, you have to solve the sum. I hope you have understood the sums. In my next class, I am going to come up with some more important sums from exercise 1, the revision chapter, that is the first chapter of your syllabus. Till then, see the sums repeatedly and practice the sums. Goodbye.